What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I have a very exciting video. As you know, we've seen my wife go from baby Grom. We're doing our thing, learning how to ride with the Grom. Don't put that foot down. Oh, well, we got a little ahead of ourselves. Passing the MSF. Negotiate the U-turn. Number one's perfect. Getting a Duke, getting a ZX6. Sweet. To basically her being able to buy kind of a dream bike, something that she has been wanting and looking for the past several years. We're able to find it, and so we're going to do a reveal, and we're going to talk to her about why she chose this bike and how she feels about it after having it for just over a week. So let's go. All right, welcome back.
Hi.
You have a brand new bike.
I do.
So what did you buy and why?
So this is a 2022 Aprilia RS660 in lava red. And I have wanted this particular bike in this particular colorway for almost 3 years. I've wanted this since I was ready to move from a 400 up to a 600cc. They're really hard to find. I found it super low mileage, and I'm super excited about it.
Okay, so you chose the 660, been looking for this particular colorway, but why this particular bike? What about it, besides the colorway, what about this bike appealed and made you go with Aprilia?
Yeah, for sure. So, before I was riding a ZX6, which for those of you who know, is a pretty aggressive super sport. It's a 4-cylinder. It's pretty heavy on the front end. It's really sensitive in the throttle and the braking, and it's overall just an absolute track machine. It's got a ton of top end power. I realize that for the riding that I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, I don't need really that much top end power, that much bike, even though I really loved it. I was actually looking for something that was a little bit more suited to the kind of riding I do, which meant a little bit more luxury in terms of features, but still with the performance of a track bike, which the RS660 is. So I stepped down to 2 cylinders. The bike is definitely a little bit more forgiving. It's very balanced as opposed to being very front end heavy. And overall, I'm super pleased with it. It's exactly what I had hoped it would be.
Okay, and you've ridden the bike now for a week. We've had it for a week. You got to test it low speed, a little high speed, maneuvering, some cornering. How do you feel on this bike compared to the ZX6 after a week for someone with your experience and starting from a 125 up to a 400 up to a two cylinder or 4-cylinder super sport?
For sure. I feel incredibly confident on this bike. I think that I have been able to really kind of jumpstart into things that I typically wouldn't be really comfortable on a brand new motorcycle or someone else's motorcycle right off the bat. Things like leaning the bike really aggressively, really kind of being able to throw the bike around. Like I said, I personally, with my experience, find it to be a lot more friendly, a lot more forgiving than what I had been on for about the last year and a half. So it's been a really easy adjustment period.
Awesome. And would you say that the RS660 is a beginner friendly bike, and would you recommend it to somebody that is either just starting out or looking for a upgrade?
I would never recommend anything more than a 400 for a brand new beginner coming right off the MSF. Even though I did say that this is friendly and a little bit more forgiving, it is still a 600. It is still a track machine. It's definitely something that I could see being very easy for a beginner to drop. It sits up pretty high. I'm 5'9". I would always recommend something a little bit smaller, but hey, if you are someone who is looking to move up from a smaller bike, It's awesome. I think it's got the best of both worlds. It's super zoomy, it's super fun, but it's also incredibly comfortable and has all of the fun luxury features that you find on Aprilia.
Yeah, for sure. Well, that's it. You heard it here first. And we got a brand new bike on the channel and in the house. Congratulations. And you know, this is it. This is it's a gorgeous bike. Look at it. And she matches. She looks great. She's been practicing. What an arc from the beginning to now. And you've seen kind of along this video where we started. If you've been with the channel, you've seen from the before the MSF to passing to getting a new bike to riding twisties on Groms, on the Duke, on the R7, the 636. I mean, we've come a long way, and now look at you. You're ready for the track. But that's it. If you're considering getting an RS660, I think that she kind of said it all. You got it in the mid-range. You got all the features in the world, and you'll see a video after this about my thoughts on this versus the other two-cylinder R7 that we have in the garage, and the comparison and my thoughts on it. That's coming up next week too. But thanks for watching. Congratulations on your new bike, and we'll see you next time.